I actually was diagnosed with systemic and cutaneous lupus. And if you go to, I have a blog, it's called theconfidentmom.com. You can type in lupus and you can see my photos and you can hear my whole journey of what that looked like. I did a webinar on that, so that you can find there over at theconfidentmom.com. But in that diagnosis of lupus, I had lesions on my face. My dermatologist that I was seeing had said he had found information that suggested that the antidepressant I was taking actually was causing symptoms that were like lupus, but I really could possibly not have lupus. And so he said, we really needed to get you off of the antidepressant to see if that was the case. So that kind of dove me into looking at alternatives, because if you, or maybe you know somebody who's been on an antidepressant for a long period of time, weaning or coming off of an antidepressant is really not something that you look forward to. And typically people have tried that many times before. And that was me. I had tried to come off of antidepressants and not with good results. So I looked for some natural alternatives and essential oils came up. I bought some on Amazon. I didn't really see a difference, did a little more research, stumbled on Young Living, decided to purchase a starter kit at that time, began using some oils, and made some other lifestyle changes.